Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are all welcome. Today we do a very simple recipe. Okay, I love simple recipes. Yeah, it's a sandwich. You know, I love nice crispy sandwiches. So what we are doing today is tuna melt sandwich. I love it. It's delicious and it's very easy to do. So what I have here, I have my bowl here. I'm going to put some chopped red onions. Okay, some chopped spring onions. I love the two together. Some parsley, and I've chopped a bit of tomato. I'm going to add that. Right, so this is what I'm adding to my tuna. Nice color. So I have two tins of tuna. Okay, I've drained the oil out of it, so I'll just put that in. Put the other in as well. So guys, I'll add a bit of black pepper. Okay, and also I'll add just a little bit of salt. Right, my next bit to add is just some mayo. Okay, loads of mayo. It makes it taste really good. So guys, I have my bread here. Normally use sourdough bread, but you can make it with any bread. I tell you, it's delicious. Okay, so I have my slice of bread here and I'm going to butter it. I'm going to butter both sides of the bread. So guys, I have my griddle pan on the stove under medium heat. I put some butter in for it to melt. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just toast just one side of the bread, and then I'll put my sandwich filler in, and then I'll put it under the grill. Just very easy and very quick recipe. Okay, so I put my bread there just to toast a little. So guys, I've toasted one part of the bread. Okay, so this is the toasted bit. So I'm going to put the ones that's not toasted right down to the pan because it will toast it anyway. This is a thin slice of bread, so I don't want it to be that crispy. Okay, if you're using sourdough bread, you can just toast both sides of the bread. Okay, so what I have, I put the slice of bread down and I'm putting my filler in. You can fill it as you want it. Smells so good. I tasted it and it tastes so nice. So nice, guys. So I'll fill it up nicely as I want it to be. I'm going to add my cheese. Right guys, so I'll add my cheese slices. You can add more if you prefer. Okay, and then I'm going to add the crispy bit of the other one onto it, and I'm going to put that under the grill. I've heated it to 180 degrees. Okay, it depends on how crispy you want your bread to be, so I'll allow it to be for about 3 to 5 minutes, or if you want it more crispy, I can allow it for about 1 or 2 minutes more. So guys, this is our tuna melt. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'll take it out and put it on a plate, and then we'll cut it. So guys, this is our tuna melt. It's very easy to do, as you can see, and it's delicious. You have to try this recipe. Okay, so let's just try and cut it. It's quite crispy. So guys, this is our tuna melt. If you like this recipe, do give me a thumbs up, okay? And do subscribe to my channel. Please put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.